In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message a SHEIN seller if you're trying to confirm sizing, check shipping timelines, or clarify product details before or after you buy. This walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the seller's contact option inside the SHEIN app or on the website. Start by opening the SHEIN app or going to the SHEIN website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your orders and get replies in your account inbox. Next, go to the product page. You can search for the item if you haven't purchased it yet, or if it's something you already bought, open it from your orders so the seller can see it's tied to a purchase. On the product page, scroll down past the photos and description. You're looking for a section labeled Sold By or the seller or store name. This is where SHEIN shows who is responsible for that listing. Tap or click the seller or store name to open the seller's profile. This page usually includes the store's ratings, number of followers, and available products. On the seller profile, look for a message option. It may appear as Contact Seller or simply Message. If you see it, select it to open the chat window. Now, type your message clearly and politely. Be specific about what you need. Ask about sizing measurements, available colors, fabric details, restocks, or estimated shipping and handling. If you already placed an order, include the order number and variation you chose so the seller can assist you faster. Keep your message concise and send it once you're ready. After you send your message, wait for the seller's reply in your SHEIN inbox. You can find replies in the app's message center or in your account messages on the website. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a response and give the seller some time to get back to you, especially across time zones. A few important notes to keep in mind. Not all SHEIN sellers allow direct messaging. Some items only support SHEIN's customer service chat, not a seller chat. If you don't see a message or contact seller button on the seller profile, use SHEIN customer service with the live chat option instead. They can relay information, help with order issues, shipping updates, returns, or refunds when the seller isn't reachable directly. That's it. Open the product, find the seller name, go to the seller profile, message if available, and check your inbox for the reply. Follow these steps and you'll be set to get the details you need quickly and confidently.